How to fix Google Sheets not loading. If Google Sheets fails to load, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try refreshing the page. Click on the refresh icon that you can see at the top. Once you do that, the page will be reloaded. Your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply test in incognito mode. Click on the option New Incognito window that you can see on the screen. Or you can also press Ctrl Shift and N. Now over here enter the link docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Press enter. Now it should load in the incognito window. If still the Google Sheets is not loading, you can clear the Google Driver Sheets hosted app data. For that, what you have to do is simply go to the new tab. Click on the search bar. Type in Chrome colon 2 settings /content /all. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the option for google.com over here. Click on the trash icon right next to it. Once you do that, click on the option for delete that you can see on the screen. After you delete it, what you can do is simply go to the Google Sheets tab and refresh the Google Sheets. Now your problem should be fixed. Like this, you can fix Google Sheets not loading problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.